Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set the clock on a Lexus NX 300. First, locate the Menu or Setup button on your infotainment system and press it. This will bring you to the main settings menu. From there, you'll want to find and select the General tab. This section contains various vehicle customization options, including the clock settings. It's a straightforward process to get your time accurate. Once you're in the clock settings, you'll see options for time zone and daylight saving. It's important to select the correct time zone for your location to ensure accuracy. Then, depending on the time of year, you can easily toggle the daylight saving time feature on or off. After making your adjustments, simply confirm your choices to save them. Your clock should now reflect the precise time. Sometimes, automatic time synchronization might not be perfect, or you might prefer manual control. In the clock settings, you can also manually adjust the hours and minutes. Use the on-screen plus and minus buttons to increment or decrement the time until it's exactly right. This gives you full precision over your vehicle's clock. Don't forget to press OK or Set to save your manual changes. After all your adjustments, take a moment to verify that your Lexus NX 300 clock is displaying the correct time. It's always good to double-check. While you're in the general settings, feel free to explore other customization options for your vehicle. You might find other useful features to personalize your driving experience. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.